if you get on my boat or my plane, you will reach your destination. Okay. If I tell you that, you know that you're going to get to your destination. Now, then if I say this statement after that, now listen, if you're on my ship, you're going to go by my rules and I'm going to hold you accountable. And if you don't listen to me, there's going to be consequences and repercussions. So that means you can't be smoking in the bathroom. You can't be doing all of those things. But regardless, if you do those things, while there will be penalties and the air marshals will take you off, at least, restrain you or whatever, you will still reach your destination.